As it pleases the court, Your Worship, I confirm, Your Worship, that we appear on behalf of the accused, Tshepo Nzimande, and this matter was remanded indeed previously for further investigations, as well as bail information of the accused. I was formally advised by the state that those investigations have been concluded, and we have in the meantime fully consulted with the accused and advised him about his right to bring a bail application. We hold instructions not to proceed with the bail application today. May then the record reflect that we are abandoning the bail application, and we will accordingly advise the court once we are ready to proceed with the bail application on the next postponement date.
Mr. Nzimande, the matter is then postponed for further investigations. You heard what the prosecutor said. Some of it will be this outstanding witness statement, video footage, and also the chain evidence regarding the video footage. 20 May for further investigations. Since there's no bail application going forward, this is the trial court at this stage, Court H, so the matter will remain on this court's roll. 20 May, you're in custody, back to Regional Court H. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You may stand down. Thank you. The court indicated as soon as we've done with and dealt with this application, we will adjourn now.